Assalamualaikum, welcome to Dr. Amma's Medicine YouTube channel. In this video I am sharing diagnostic key points of gastrointestinal tract system. Celiac disease. Clue: bloating, diarrhea, rashes, anemia, malnutrition and failure to thrive, plus hydrogen breath test. Gastritis. Clue: epigastric burning or discomfort associated with tobacco use, alcohol ingestion, stress or NSAID use. Gastroesophageal reflux disease. Clue: chest pain or severe burning occurring within an hour of eating. Discomfort is worse when lying down after meals and may occur during the night. Hiatus hernia. Clue: burning, chest pain, heartburn, dysphagia, GERD, a feeling of fullness. Peptic ulcer disease. Clue: gnawing, burning pain in either the mid epigastric area 2 to 4 hours after meals or the left epigastric area with meals. Weight loss and presence of melena, low H&H. Gastric cancer. Clue: indigestion, anorexia, weight loss, nausea and vomiting, anemia, melena, pain relieved by antacids. Obesity. Clue: BMI more than 30 kg per meter square, degenerative joint disease, type 2 diabetes, total cholesterol more than 200 mg per deciliter. Abdominal hernias. Clue: abdominal area that bulges out, especially when intra-abdominal pressure is increased. Gentle pressure can cause reduction or popping back of the abdominal contents. Lenses cirrhosis. Clue: chronic condition associated with alcohol consumption, elevated ALT and AST, ascites and edema in the lower extremities. Hepatitis. Clue: lethargy, malaise, headache, anorexia, low-grade fever, right upper quadrant pain, jaundice, elevated ALT and AST levels. Liver cancer. Clue: elevated ALT and AST, ascites, edema in the lower extremities, and increased bilirubin level. Esophageal varices. Clue: oral hemorrhage in the presence of portal hypertension. Cholecystitis. Clue: right upper quadrant pain that radiate to the right scapula. Murphy's sign is present, increased amylase and bilirubin level. Pancreatitis. Clue: severe midline abdominal pain that radiates to the flank, spine and back, worsening with extension of the legs or ingestion of food. Elevated ALT and AST, amylase, lipase and glucose. Ulcerative colitis. Clue: daily passage of 6 or more bloody mucus stools associated with abdominal pain. Pancreatic cancer. Clue: weight loss, anorexia, increased amylase, lipase and bilirubin, increased vitamin D intake may be preventive. Bowel obstruction. Clue: high-pitched bowel sounds, abdominal distension and pain. Colon cancer. Clue: stool is positive for blood, a change in bowel habits has occurred. Diverticulosis. Clue: history of constipation and poor bowel habits. appendicitis. Clue. Rebound tenderness at McBurney point. Increased WBC count. Crohn's disease. Clue. Diarrhea, weight loss, cobblestone appearance in the small bowel. Peritonitis. Clue. Rebound tenderness and rigidity over the abdominal wall. Decreased vowel sounds. Thank you very much everyone. Please do subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.